To receive constant, actionable tips to help you improve your quality of life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be the first to watch our new videos. The perfect smile goes a long way to making a good impression on others. Unfortunately, having perfect teeth aren't quite the natural process for many. While undergoing medical procedures can't guarantee perfect teeth, these solutions can be pretty costly. But fear not, because there are easy, cost-less ways to have the perfect smile. Baking soda and toothpaste. Baking soda has been shown to remove unwanted stains from the teeth. All you need to do is mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with your toothpaste and brush your teeth with it. Wash off the paste with lukewarm water, and your teeth will become whiter after a few brushes. Use charcoal. Charcoal is an increasingly popular solution to teeth whitening, and you can easily find some in your local convenience store. To use the charcoal, make sure it has been crushed into a powder. Sprinkle the charcoal on your toothbrush and brush your teeth with it. This will help them become 3 to 4 shades lighter after a few brushes. Pretty impressive, right? Milk. Milk is rich in calcium and phosphorus, which makes the teeth stronger and healthier. But did you know that you could also use it for whitening your teeth? Just add some milk on your toothpaste and use it to brush your teeth. You get both strong and white teeth from the combination of calcium and lactic acid. Hydrogen peroxide. Before we move on, we must insist that you do not use concentrated hydrogen peroxide on your teeth, and to avoid this method if you have sensitive teeth. If you do, it is advisable to get toothpaste that have hydrogen peroxide in it. That way you don't have any worries because the ingredients are balanced. If you don't have sensitive teeth, use hydrogen peroxide as a mouthwash before brushing your teeth. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of the substance with a full glass of water and rinse properly before brushing. Banana or orange peel. This might sound like a strange ingredient, but it's actually one of the most effective teeth whitening techniques. The banana peel is rich in potassium, which penetrates into your teeth and prevents them from getting colored. The orange peel, on the other hand, is rich in vitamin C, which can also aid in the teeth whitening process. To use this method, rub your teeth with a banana or orange peel about 2 to 3 times a week and rinse it off with any mouthwash. Lemon. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which is effective for brightening the teeth. Mix 1 teaspoon of lemon to your toothpaste and brush your teeth with it. This solution has been proven to work wonders in just a few minutes. Salt. Salt is known to have very effective cleansing properties that can restore your teeth to its white state. Try using salt as an alternate toothpaste once a week to remove stains from your teeth. If you've found these hacks helpful, please let us know in the comments down below. We can't wait to hear from you. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. For more hacks and advice on living a purposeful life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.